and the material you can easily to find in your house. So let's see what's the material. To make eatable slime, you will need an empty glass bowl, a spoon, glass of water, a little bit sugar, and food color, potato starch. In this recipe, do not use cornstarch. Okay, let's start to do it. First step, you will need to put 3 or 4 spoons of potato starch. Then we're going to add water. In this process, you need to stir your water and potato starch very well. Let's put food color into our starch water and stir it again. So guys, after you stir your starch water very well, so next move it into microwave 15 seconds. Alright guys, now you can see the colors change a little bit. Stir well and then go back to microwave again. Second time, 15 seconds. And in this process, if you like, you can add a little bit sugar here to make your slime have sweet flavor. So guys, as you can see, our eatable slime is almost complete. We need to stir it again and back to oven 15 seconds. Ta-da! Our slime is nearly done. In here you will see this slime is a little bit sticky, right? But don't worry about it. Let's add a little bit cold water. And very soon, this slime will not able to stick your hand anymore. Right? Let's see. Oh my god, I think this one is a little bit. Okay guys, now you can see our slime. It's done! And now we need to add cold water to make our slime keep this shape. So, going to add a lot. So guys, now my slime is complete cooled down. So let's start to play it. Yay! It's really clear, right? And really stretch. Actually, it's a little bit very stretchable. Cool, guys. Ta-da! Let's see how far can we go. Guys, so don't forget, if you want to really test your slime, you need to add a little bit sugar in the second times microwave. Do you have fun in this video? For now, we do a lot of experiments to make eatable slime. I'm really enjoying about this. So how do you think about this video? If you like, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Or if you have any crazy DIY idea, please leave your message in the comment section below. Ta-da! And don't forget to subscribe Elie Oops Channel to get more slime video. Yeah! I'll see you next time. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye! Hello everyone, I'm Elie. Thank you for watching Elie Oops Channel. The new video will be uploaded every day. If you don't want to miss any video, please click the subscribe button below. And if you have something you want me to know or something you want me to do, please leave the comment in the comment section below. I'm really happy that you guys like my video. I'll see you later. Bye!